Hey guys, Aaron here, and today we have a box. And what do we normally do with boxes? Well, we unbox them, of course. I have a little bit of a interesting past with OnePlus. I kind of rode a really big high, and then I had a really big crash. I skipped over several variants in between this model and the OnePlus 6 and 6T. What I will share with you is I'm a little bit more excited about this device. I have dedicated and promised myself to put my SIM in this device and use it for 2 straight weeks in order to give you a proper review. Enough of the intro, let's get into the video. So the OnePlus 8 Pro is a flagship, but still kind of a little bit at budget pricing. Now there's a lot of drama or chaos surrounding the launch of this device, and mainly it's OnePlus fans who are budget phone fans, price conscientious fans, and now they're being presented with the $1,000 smartphone with OnePlus. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and see what's in here. Little piece of paper asking me to do some promotions. Here is my little slip here, and now we are getting into the buds that they had promised us with the pack. So separate video to this coming soon. And here we have the Warp 30 charging stand, which I'm really excited about this. But more than anything, we have the OnePlus 8 Pro, and this is the Ultramarine, the 12 gig 256 of memory version. So this is exciting for me. I'm actually feeling something right now, and when I say I'm feeling something, I mean emotions are coming through me. I am excited to take a OnePlus device and embrace it as my daily driver. And I'm really excited that that OnePlus came out with this device, and I'm even more excited that we are gonna slice open and get into it right now. So the box is pretty basic. We have a big 8 on the front. We got some OnePlus logo on the side, OnePlus 8 Pro on the side. So, nice suction there, OnePlus. Oof. Oh, came with like a weird spot on it. Can you see that? Weird spot. You can never be too careful. So this is our phone. Let's set that aside and explore the rest of our contents. Little pull-up tab here. So in pure OnePlus fashion, they gave us some screen protectors. They gave us a case, never settle. You can go ahead and see that there. It's rubbery, but you know what? For a phone that really is kind of competing with other flagships right now, not many other flagships are sending stuff like this out. Like even a rubber case, a screen protector, 2 screen protectors, amazing warp charge cable. I absolutely love it. And look at the size of this. This is the same size as the warp charging that I have with my OnePlus 6T McLaren. So no difference there. This isn't new technology, but they are moving it over to the OnePlus series versus reserving it for the McLaren editions. Thanks Nomadic Gear for supporting the channel. I'm kind of known for spending a ridiculous amount of money on luggage and high-end backpacks. Then I came across Nomadic bags, and I absolutely fell in love with the Nomadic backpack, and now I'm in love with the Nomadic Carry-On Pro. This is a 2-bag-in-1 type of deal, and it will not disappoint you. If you're in the market for some new luggage, a messenger bag, or a backpack that's big enough to take on a trip and still carry on the plane, then look no further. Take a moment and check them out. Link is in the description. Don't forget to click on the red sale link at the top of the page. You'll thank me later. Back to the video. Now to get into the actual device. All right, here it is in all of its beautiful glory. This is like a beautiful looking blue. Look at that. That camera hump is pretty aggressive. Look at that. Can you see that hump? The OnePlus logo on the back there. Power button, volume rocker, and our alert slider. So let's get this thing started up. I'm really excited. I'm gonna put my SIM in a new phone today. It came on with a nice little haptic, a little nudge, like, I'm waking up, daddy. We're getting ready to come home and I'm the home. Oh, see, whenever I feel a nice good haptic feedback, I know I'm impressed. Let's get started. Let's agree to all of the things. Now, as I'm going through, I'm just making sure I'm not agreeing to any marketing stuff, because that's what Samsung likes to do. If you have a SIM, insert now. Is this the moment we're gonna do it? Let's do it. In my little pouch that I carry my car key in, I also happen to carry several SIM ejector tools. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, you've been so good to me. Look, it's on the bottom, guys. Who puts it on the bottom? Now, is there expandable storage? There is not expandable storage. So that is kind of a boo-hoo from the very beginning. OnePlus, shame on you for not giving us expandable storage. There's absolutely no reason why you should force us into limitations. And that's how I like to see it. You're forcing me into limitations. So just so you can kind of experience what I'm experiencing, guys, let me show you this size difference between these two phones, right? I'm used to carrying this with me everywhere, and now I'm gonna go to this. Not a big difference. You can see there's a little bit of height and there's some width. So there's a little on each side, but it's not crazy. It says copy apps and data. We're gonna don't copy. I'm gonna start fresh downloads all over to go around for everyone. So here it is, guys, the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now, I've never used a OnePlus Pro device before, so this I'm really excited about. The look, the feel. My initial first impressions of this device is with this never settle right here, the logo. I think they are nailing branding with simplicity and subtlety, because if you look at it, it doesn't scream out the never settle. It's not a giant logo that says I'm just a phone with a logo. And then you have the little OnePlus right there, and it's all really subtle, but all these little elements pulled together. I think that's what OnePlus was talking about, is that they want you to have an emotional experience, an emotional reaction to using this device. You know what I can tell you guys just from looking at it right here? It has a good feel. There's some grip on the side with the OnePlus case that they're giving us, so there's a little bit of traction there. I feel like I can hold it. It's not too thick, which I'm really grateful about. I'm totally stoked. I'm totally excited to see what this phone is going to do. I am going to pin it up against the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but I'm excited to put this device up against other OnePlus phones. I'm even going to put this up against the OnePlus 6T McLaren edition, because I want to see how their camera has progressed. I'm not really too sold on a OnePlus camera as of yet, so we're gonna have some fun. This is gonna be a really cool device for me. I hope that you guys are locked and loaded. Like, comment, subscribe, all the goodness. Tell me, what do you think about this device? Do you think that this is gonna be the next flagship of 2020? Or do you think this is just going to kind of fall into the sunset and we're gonna forget all about it as soon as the other models of the year start coming out, like the Note 11 or 20, whatever version that's gonna be, the iPhone 12, or is this device gonna be able to stand the test of time in 2020 in April and actually hold strong until the end of the year? Are we still gonna be talking about it? I don't know. I'm interested to find out. I'm kind of excited. OnePlus is a cool brand. They, I believe, are number 3 according to their own count, cell phone manufacturers in the world. In just a short period of time that they've been around, they've accomplished a lot. So OnePlus, up for the challenge. Let's see if I can hang with this device for at least 2 weeks. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think I'll last 2 weeks, or do you think I'm gonna go running back to my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra? Tell me what you think. For the love of tech, thanks for watching. Till next time, namaste.